Hello, friends. Imagine a unified platform that simplifies the use of advanced AI tools like stable diffusion, AI animation, voice cloning, and face swapping, as well as running open source large language models directly on your personal computer. This platform is so versatile, so it supports Mac, Windows, and Linux, and it is entirely free. Such platform does exist, and it is known as Pinocchio. So this is not the Pinocchio from Disney, but this is actually a AI tool, or you can say it's a Swiss army of AI tool. With Pinocchio, you can say goodbye to endless and confusing process of installing dependencies, configuring environments to run AI tools like Stable Diffusion or FaceFusion. Only thing you need is Pinocchio. This AI Swiss Army knife is capable to run all AI apps like Automatic 1111, Forge, FaceFusion, or Foocus. And you can forget about, focusing on confusing terminal install, manually installing all the dependencies, and configuring environment manually. So what happened? Pinocchio remove all the complex process which are required to be managed in the background, and it will do everything for you, and only thing you can focus is the creativity and innovation. So if you want to run Forge, you just need to choose the script and click it. Pinocchio will install everything for you, which include dependencies and configuring your environment. Once it is completed, you can run the Focus, Stable Diffusion, Automatic AI, anything. So if you are interested and want to play with this tool, you need to visit this website, which is quite simple. I will share the link in the description. You visit this website and you only need to download this thing. That is the only big thing that you need to do. Choose your desired operating system. Mine is Windows. I'm going to download this. After the download, go to the folder where you downloaded it. Use any unzipping for software like WinRAR or 7zip. Extract. So you have the setup. Click to install. So it will ask you to allow it. Allow. Now here where you want to install, there should be like no white spaces, no ext fat drives. So these like two requirements, you can say. So I want to install it here. So let me copy this path and put it here. And I want dark theme. You can choose light or dark. It's up to you. Click on save. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's delete this and you will paste again and try see what happened. Okay, now it is doing the needful. So it is going to install Pinocchio. It will take some time. You can say like 5 minutes max. So we will. Okay, not even 5 minutes. It is done. So now let's see. This is Pinocchio. And let's see what we have here. So we go to Discover tab. Now under Discover tab, we have all applications listed. You can go through them one by one. Whatever you want to install, you can install. For example, this is Story Diffusion, right? So we also have the GitHub URL for that. If you want to install this, you click here and click on download. And if you want to understand what is this whole project about, you can click on this link and it will open there its GitHub page. So here everything is shown and you can see what this project is on about. So let me go back to Pinocchio browser and I will go back and then click on discover again. Let me show you a few more things. So you have almost everything, all famous GitHub projects here. We have Devika, which is a AI software engineer. Then we have Instant Style, Face to All, even you got, and for example, if you want to search any particular project, say I want to search for FaceFusion, it will give me, like I type the name and I will get the FaceFusion. Apart from that, you can scroll down a little bit, and if anything new comes up in this, then you will get them here. You can also see there are tutorials, then we have some other stuff. So whatever you want to install, you need to it's a one-click install. So for example, I want to install automatic 1111 and I am going to click on download. It will open a new window. Now the first time when it install, it is going to install all the dependencies. I always make mistake in this. So whatever requirements are there, they will get installed. So the first process will take some time. Okay, so we click here install and let it get, start preparing the environment. And this process may take 15 to 20 minutes. So we will meet once it is completed. At some stage, if you see that it is, little bit taking a long, don't panic. These process take some. Okay. Now, once your installation is complete, you need to click OK. Now it will ask you with which, what name you want to save this project. I will suggest do not change anything. Just click download. Now you see your almost everything is completed. Now you just need to click on install. Okay. Now, and this is quite similar for all the projects. First, it will create, it will, in the initial first run, it will try to install all the prerequisites, dependencies, and the requirement. Then it will, it will allow you to install. So our environment is ready. Now we need to click on install this project. This will again take some time. So don't panic. Allow some time to. Right now, it is downloading the checkpoint. If you see, it is downloading the Excel base version, which is around 6.5 gigs. So, depending on your internet speed, that much time it will going to take. So now we got the message that our application installation is complete. So we can click on start to start the environment. So let's start. So you can click here and your environment is ready. So now here you can do the same thing as you generally do in automatic 1111. You can create images like you generally do. So let me test one image. So now go to the folder. Now you see the creation. So this is the image that is created. So quite crisp and clear image. Nothing wrong with that. You can install all the extensions that you want here. For example, I want to install Reactor. You can get a full tutorial on this app, on this web's FaceSwap tool in my videos. I will share the link in the description. So any extension you want, you can install it here and you can run it. Let me walk you through the structure of Pinocchio. So when you open your root directory of Pinocchio, let me make it a little bit big. Now in API part, you have all the applications. Okay. So if you go here, go into app, now you see you have everything here. So if you want to install any model, you can add here. Okay. You can put your model here. If you want to add any LoRa, you can add LoRa here. Okay. Rest, everything is self-explanatory. All the outputs are saved here. See, we created this image few minutes back. It is here. So this is how you can, do whatever you generally do with your environment when you install it by yourself manually. And this is the process by which you can install any environment, any project in Pinocchio without, getting confused about installing all the prerequisites, dependencies, and requirements. And you don't need to worry about long terminal commands. So this is all about this video. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel and share your feedback in the comment section. Till that time, stay safe, stay happy, and we will meet soon in our next video.